It gives the company direction, it energizes the company, and it is an executable strategy because it's supported by the people who created the strategy. And this is what I call value. To spend $2-3 million to get a famous name like McKinsey or Boston Consulting Group or Bain on a leather-bound document, for me, these are fig leaves for CEOs, but not workable strategies. And most of the time, they rest very peacefully on the bookshelves of the CEO. Somebody said today in our seminar, talked about a rocket start. And, this is a fact, actually. Every organization, we introduced the process to. We took one organization from a sleepy 100 million to a dynamic 1.1 billion in 5 years. Another company, public company in the US, from 50 million to 250 million in 6 years, and the companies became alive.
I had previously been with Johnson & Johnson, and at J&J, strategic planning was something that was done by others for you. We wound up bringing in McKinsey a variety of times. They sat and spoke with people in the company, they spoke with competitors and came back and told you what your strategic plan should be. We got involved, I recall once, with using the BCG, the Boston Consulting Group strategy, and doing portfolio analysis and looking at strategic business segments and a lot of things that really wound up being exercises in futility. In 1986, I had been named president of a relatively small $30 million orthopedic device company that was being pulled in a couple of different directions, and it was at that point in time that I happened upon Mike's strategic thinking book. I think it had been sent to me. I read the book. It just seemed to make great sense and provided what I thought would be a vehicle to a solution. So it was, I went in really without any preconceptions, but the process proved to be excellent. We had unanimous buy-in. Everybody, because they had an opportunity to participate, felt that it was their strategic plan as much as it was the management or the president of the company. So it really paid dividends. We had a 45% increase last year on a $128 million base. We'll be a $250 million business this year.